our responsibility to our dear ones or near ones or whoever. To me, all are my dear ones. I take them to my home. My responsibility to answer. Because I am a saint, I was there. What I did, rather than being angry or being tough on them, I just waited for the Thanksgiving ceremony. Thanksgiving holiday. We packed fruits, bucket of fruits and chocolates, basket of fruits and chocolate, and beautiful cars, and went door to door and delivered those baskets. Then the Christmas comes. Same thing, we did it again. Merry Christmas. I never did it in my whole life, but because I was there, Merry Christmas card, because we don't do it in India like that. But I sent the Merry Christmas card, and again the basket full of fruits and chocolates. Second time again, the Easter comes, the many other festivals come. We start making friendship with them. And before the second Thanksgiving holiday comes, you will be amazed. They had the basket full of fruits and chocolates. They come to the temple, come to me, and they delivered that. This is our response. Anger always begets anger. Your response should be with loving touch. When you express your anger, you are in trouble. When you suppress your anger, you are in trouble. The only way is, people who do that, forgive them. From your heart, at least you sleep comfortably. You don't cause ulcer and cancer for you. Forgiving other means that you feel comfortable. Forgiving other does not mean that what they have done is okay. Forgiving other means that at least you are okay. You feel comfortable. And then if you have a courage, extra courage, pray for them. It's not easy praying for others. They make mistake and you pray for them. There are people, beautiful people. When I was in the jungle, one saint told me very beautiful things. I will say it in Hindi, then I will say it in English. Mere Siva, he said so beautifully, it always just is in my heart. मेरे सिवा नजर ना आए कोई दोजख में, किसी का जुर्म हो मालिक मुझे सजा देना. किसी का जुर्म, someone else has done the horrible mistake, and because of that he has to go to hell. He said, oh Lord, please forgive him, don't send him to the hell, forgive her, but in spite of that, in spite of him or her, please send him to hell. I am happy to go to hell, but make him happy, make her happy. That much power you can create through this meditation. That's why we are here, my dear. Not for doing yoga in the morning only. Yes, you will become, your legs will become flexible, your feet will become flexible, your body will become fit. But main thing is, not only the body, your mind should become flexible. Your mind should become fit. That whenever you are a fit, then you don't. Whenever you are a fit, you are still fit. You don't react to that. Fit. Okay? That's why we all are here. All that meditation, all this waking up those 4 o'clock to those people, you know what they are doing? They are just preparing themselves for that fit, which they don't have a fit. You understand? So, looking at them, just say, my God, 4 o'clock, I wish I can also be up 4 o'clock. And believe me, next day you will be charged with that energy. 4 o'clock you are there. And who knows, before this festival ends you will be there. Who knows? So let us be ready for every situation, whatever happens, no matter what happens, but we don't have to lose our calm. And this sleep deprivation, I'm telling you, this is new things happening everywhere. To us, people who are sadhak, even with less, if you have a good sleep for a few hours, you can go on for 24 hours. It's just a habit, giving a command to your mind. Hey, come on, not 10 hours, not till 10 o'clock in the morning, up 6 o'clock in the beginning, not 4 o'clock, because it's a problem. But 6 o'clock, then start 5, then 4, and you will see that. You will love it. Before even it's 8 o'clock, your half the work is done. You will be so happy. You'll say, my God, I never imagined that. And because we are very early. Very early we are up. And we can see before people even get up. And our whole things, all the things are done. Meditation is done, prayer is done, and so many other things are done. You won't believe it, on my table how many toilets I keep drawing and building, this dham and that dham and this place. By 7 o'clock many toilets are also built. So much has been planned. People are not even out of toilet. I have built many toilets. That will happen. Really, I'm telling you, you go in the morning, you will be amazed. This file, that file, you say, Swami and files, what to do in those many hours? That's why I said I'm coming back, my dear. Because there are so many toilets have to be built. You build or I have to come. Either you build, otherwise I have to come. Now what do you want, tell me. You tell me be there, I will be there.